How to fix lag and dropped frames on Streamlabs. So if your Streamlabs is lagging or it has dropped frames, then it will result to an awful streaming experience. And in order for you to avoid that, try following these steps. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to simply head on to your settings, which is here on the bottom left. And here you need to simply go for advanced option, and under advanced go for the option which is process priority. And here if you have normal, you just need to go and choose above normal. And if that still doesn't fix, then go and choose high. And after that you just need to go for the video. Once you're on the video, you can go for the base resolution and make sure that your resolution is this, which is 1920 into 1080. So once you have this, you just need to go for the second option, which is output resolution, and make sure that it is the same. You just need to go and select the downscale filter as line source. And once you've selected that, you need to go for the XPS type, which is the common FPS values. And under the common FPS values, you need to select 60, which will be very helpful. And after that, you just need to simply go for the output, which is here. And under the output, here you will have the output mode on the upper side. So under the output, you just need to simply go and select the advanced option. Once you've selected the advanced, you will have this kind of interface. And here you need to go for the encoder and make sure the encoder is quick style. And once you've chosen, you need to go for rate control, which is CBR. And then under the bitrate, so the bitrate is very important because if you're streaming high quality games, I want you to change this to around 6000. That should be enough. And after doing all of these settings, you just need to simply go for done, which is here on the bottom right. And once you've done, now in order to take effect of all of these and in order to work, you just need to go and restart your device. So once you've restarted your device, you can again open up your Streamlabs and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix lag and dropped frames on your Streamlabs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.